Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear student of second secondary, we are going to solve questions of El-mosoa booklet, and we are going to start with booklet 1 of unit 2 modern periodic table. Let's start by lesson 1. Okay, question number 1 here says that which of the following apply on modern periodic table? Okay, we want to know which statement will be applying or mean. It can be predict or mention the periodic table. Its horizontal period number is larger than its vertical group number. Number B, its vertical row number is larger than its vertical group number. It includes three types of elements or consists of four blocks. Do you think what is the right answer here? I think it's easy question at the first. Okay, we are going to know what is the answer. It consists of what? Four blocks. Another question. Question number 2 here. Every element describe its precedes in modern periodic table by what electron? Okay, we can mention that every element decrease or increase as forward or backward when we go inside the table. So we are going to know it will move forward or backward by what? One electron. We take it in second prep before. Okay, we have another question here. Question number 3. Elements of B block lays in. Okay, it means what? Its place of the modern periodic table. Okay, do you think it's to right or to left or middle or down? Okay, I think you know that S block will be at the left, B block will be at the right, and D block in the middle, and F block down or below the table. So the right answer here will be at the right of the periodic table. Okay, another question. We are going to question number 4. Question number 4. Okay, this is question says that elements of D block includes what vertical column? Doesn't take sample B. We said that we have kind of column that didn't take the letter B or take number without any sample. We have 1B, 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B, and what we have taken? Not, we have 3 column in the middle that not taken the letter, what? The letter B. They are making without any letters, forming one group of elements. Okay, we are going to question number 5. The main transition elements ends by element what? Okay, question number 5 here. Main transition elements ends by what element, and it locates in period what? Okay, here we have any transition element, okay, or any transition period. At the end of it, we have a kind of element. We starts with metal. In the middle, along the period, we have semi-metal or metalloid, and at before the end we have non-metal, and non-metallic property increase till we reaches to the end of the what of the period. So we have here what? We have a non-metal. Okay, we have here a non-metal. So we locate, we have the cadmium fifths. Okay, so the main transition elements end by element what? Cadmium, and it locate in period what? It locate in period fifth period here. Okay, we have question number 6. We says that we have different kind of questions. We have multiple choice and we have essay questions. Let's start with question number 3. Inert gas are stable element and forms compounds by difficulty. Okay, so it containing or its meaning that we are talking about what? Inert gas. Explain this. So we can say that as all principal energy level and sublevels are what? Are completely filled with electrons. So they can't form compounds with any other elements surrounding them. They are exist in the elementary state in the nature. Okay, we are going to question number 7 here. Okay, question number 7 says that what state the similarity and differences between lanthanide and actinide. We said that we have say questions in our exam, so we have here what is the similar between lanthanide and actinide and what is the difference between them. Okay, we are talking about each of them. We will start with all, as all are similar in what? They are inner transition element and both locate under the periodic table. So they are from the type of inner transition element and they are belong to the periodic table or coming from the periodic table. Okay, this is the first one. Second one, here we have they are different in what? In heat. How it come? Lanthanides locate in fifth period and continuous filling of 4F sublevel. We have here continuous filling of 4F sublevel. We said that 4F sublevel have what? 7 orbitals and it filled with 14 electrons according to the Aufbau principle. Okay, if we want to filling this sublevel. Okay, while actinides locates in 6th period here and continuous filling also, but in or but with till reaches 5th F sublevel with electron, till reach 5F sublevel with electron. So we have here some points of difference and some points of similarity between each one. So we have to write some words about each one and we have a say question to compare or to make more study for everything. Okay, we are going to question number 8. Okay, here we have question number 8, another say question. Compare between group 1A and group 5A according to, we have here 2 points, according to what? According to block and according to electric configuration or electronic filling. Okay, here we have number 1 at the first, we have group 1A belong to S block. Okay, it's easy, it is at the left of periodic table and its electronic structure ends with, or as we know, if we are in group 1A or 2A, we have here, we are in S block or we have S sublevel, so its electronic structure ends with NS and we have only one electron. What about saying to group 2A? What about saying group 2A? If we say that, we will say NS and we will change this one ends by 2 electrons. Okay, another one, while group 5A belongs to B block, group 5A at the right of the periodic table, so we have here 5 electron. Okay, 2 in S block or S sublevel and the other electrons we have 3 in B orbital. Okay, so we have electronic structure ends with NB and we have here 3 electrons in the outer level according to increase in the energy distribution or according to its electronic structure. Here we have at the end ends with NB and we have here 3 electrons, 3 single electron. We have here 3 orbitals but each one filling with 2 electrons, so we need 6 electrons to be saturated in B orbital. Here we have 3 electrons single only. Okay, so we are going to another question, question number 9. Okay, question number 9 says that which of the following blocks of periodic table include the largest number of vertical column? Okay, do you think what? Okay, I think we study it. Okay, it is what? It is in the middle. We have here block D or D block. Okay, we have here D block that contains the largest number of column in the periodic table till now. Okay, question number 10. We have question number 10. The last element in every horizontal period is, okay, I said it before. We starting with what? We starting with representative element, and we're going to main and inner, and at the end we will at each period with inert gas. Okay, we are going to solve question number 11. The element, its electronic structure for last orbital is ns2 and b5. Locates in vertical group. What is vertical group? That we are going to will be in. Okay, according to this one, we are going to be at the end we have 5 electrons in b orbital. Okay, so we are going to be here 5 electrons and 2 in s, so we are going to be in what? In group 7a. Okay, according to this one, we are going to be in group 7a, as it will be vertical column in group 7a. Okay, we are going to question number 12. Okay, question number 12 says that a representative element locates in the fifth period and seventh vertical group. Okay, here. Calculate its number of electrons. So we wanted to know, we have here representative element and present in fifth period and 7 vertical column. So if we want to calculate this number, here we have fifth period, so we have starting from first energy level, we have 2 electrons and KLMNO, KLMNO. Okay, we have here fifth period. Okay, we starting with 2 and 7th vertical column. We will end as this one by 7th, what? 7 or group 7a. So we have here 2, 8, 18, 32, and at the end we will have in the last energy level we have here 15 electrons, so we reaches 2, its number will be 53 electrons, or its atomic number here, or the number of electrons here will be 53, what? 53 electrons. Okay, we are going to question number 13.